I am doing a Knitcrate yarn giveaway. If you sign up under me, you can get your first month 20% off. If you put in the promo code JEWEL20, all links are down below. And to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related, maybe a video you'd like to see in the future, and make sure you're a subscriber. This giveaway, this hook and cable came with the giveaway with the box, the Knitcrate box. So that's part of it. Then this yarn, it's like a nice mauve pink color. And it's called Petal Merino Wool, cotton, super bulky. Has a soft texture to it and it's thick. So you get these two skeins of yarn. This is this little postcard with it. And this booklet with some patterns inside. So that's one of the patterns. And membership yarns. This is one of the patterns here, which is the knit. And here are another pattern with the cotton one. Very pretty. And it's crochet. And then there's some pretty socks that are knit for the pattern. And this is crochet. Okay, so you'll get the booklet, two skeins of yarn, and this little hook and cable. And just make sure you're a subscriber, you sign up or comment down below. And I have links for my Facebook page and group if you'd like to join. And all links are down below. So thank you for watching. Come back in a couple weeks to see if you're the winner.